Hello there, you're welcome to Victor Isibo Reviews YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about the massive technological advancement that is happening right in front of us. The implication is that many jobs and businesses would become irrelevant with time. So here are 11 businesses that will always remain in demand irrespective of technological advancements. Before I proceed, I want to ask that you like this video. Give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. I'll seriously be grateful if you do that. Kindly do that for me. And now that you have done that, I believe, let us start counting. Number one business, baby industry business. Now, statistics have shown that about 250 babies are born each day globally. Wow, that is a massive 130 million babies born each year. There is no technological advancement that will stop people from making babies. So you see, businesses that care for baby care needs will never go out of fashion. Be it that you are running daycare services, or you're selling diapers, or you're selling toys, or you sell baby toiletries, just name them. These products will never lack patronage. Those services that has to do with babies, they are not going out of fashion anytime soon. Number two, we spoke about childbirth in number one. In number two, we're talking about death, funeral services. Now, every person born of flesh and blood would eventually die. Death is inevitable. Statistics show that about 60 million people die each year globally. That's massive. So businesses that cater for the dead would always thrive because no technological advancement is going to stop people from dying. So whether you run mortuary services, or you are into coffin making, or you are into rental of cemetery spaces, your business will continue to boom irrespective of technological advancements. Number three, event planning, event centers and halls for events and occasions. There will always be birthday parties. There will always be funeral parties. There will always be promotion parties. There will always be housewarming parties. There will always be gatherings. There will always be seminars. There will always be meetings. Okay, so these occasions are all events. Technological advancement is not going to stop people from celebrating parties. It's not going to stop people from gathering to meet, end of the year parties and stuff like that. So businesses around event planning, having rental spaces for parties is never going to go out of fashion, irrespective of technological advancement. Number four, liquor. People like to have some liquor, casually as a way of relaxing. Be they rich, poor, or middle class, bars, lounges, and clubhouses are always going to continue to enjoy patronage because having a little bit of liquor is many people's idea of relaxation or having fun. So this kind of business, technological advancement is not going to stop people from patronizing businesses around liquor. Number five, hair care and beauty. Your hair is not going to stop growing. That is why you have to pay recurrent visits to a barber shop to groom your hair. Now, businesses around hair care and beauty will continue to enjoy patronage irrespective of technological advancement. People will always do makeups, bridal makeovers, pedicures and manicures, and of course eyelashes. So barbers and salon operators will always be in business, irrespective of technological advancement. Number 6, eateries and restaurants. No technological advancement or discovery will ever make people to stop feeling hungry. So people will continue to eat. So eateries and restaurants will never go out of fashion. Businesses around food will always continue to thrive and enjoy recurrent patronage from people several times on a daily basis, because the average human being eats at least twice daily. Number 7, e-business, blogging, e-commerce, web services. All these are products of technological advancement. So the more technology advances, the more prominent these businesses are going to be. So they can only be improved upon, but they will never go out of fashion. Number 8, technology is not going to make human beings go naked. So humans always have the need to wear clothes. So businesses and skills that center around clothing will always stay relevant. Tailoring, boutiques, etc. are businesses that will keep booming. Number 9, laundry and laundromats. Well, this is also talking about clothes. So if clothes will never go out of fashion, then the need to keep those clothes clean will also never go out of fashion. So long as clothes remain relevant, so also would laundries and laundromats would always keep enjoying patronage. Number 10, tutoring. They say we live and we learn. The day you stop learning is the day you die. So for as long as humans walk the surface of the earth, there will always be need for us to keep learning. Technology will never stop humans from learning new things. As a matter of fact, technology will make learning easier and more seamless. So teaching, online or offline, maybe you run or you own a school or a skills acquisition center, your business is never going to go out of fashion because there's always a need to learn something new. Number 11, water business. Technology is never going to bring us any other fluid that will take the place of water. Okay? We are not likely to start washing our clothes or our cars with fruit juice or wine. So businesses relating to water will always keep thriving as human beings need water to survive. Water has no enemies. For those of you who watched the video this far, I have a gift for you, which is a bonus business that will never go out of fashion and technology will never ever displace it. It is the most powerful of all the tips, and that's the bonus you get for watching the video up until now. And this business is a money spinner, and it is, of course, real estate. For as long as the world exists, land would always exist, and having a roof over one's head is an essential requirement for human existence. Human beings would always want to have a roof over their heads. So, real estate has come to stay, and technology is not going to displace it anytime ever. Kindly note that this list is not exhaustive. Are there some businesses that I left out? Please write them in the comment section below this video. Please give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Kindly help me hit that share button and share this video on social media so that your friends and family members can see it as well. And of course, please subscribe and let me see your thoughts in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next video with another powerful and entertaining financial message, I remain Victor Isibo. It is bye for now.